Good morning. We often discuss Franciscan charism. Just a couple of days ago, Carlos Garcia brought one of the capsules, Franciscan charism, and we challenged this, which is the simplicity. So we have the council for the charism right now. It's got 9 words. But in Greek, charism means gift of grace given by God. So Franciscan charism is the gift given by God to St. Francis of Assisi, of course, St. Clare, as they responded in living gospel life, right? As for me, the first time when I heard about Franciscan charism, there is Brother Tom Betts. It was like 10 years ago. When I was about to join Captain Order of St. Augustine, it brings you all the memories 10 years ago. But at that time, actually, Sister Veronica introduced me 3 orders in the USA, race order. So one of the Capuchin, and then I like Capuchin charism. She explained me what is Capuchin charism, and I liked it because the reason why I liked it is I was a very active member of Legion Mary in Korea at the time. So all I was doing is volunteer things with the poor. I was bringing all the elderly to hospitals and to the church. They were living here by themselves with the illnesses, and we took them to the park to get some fresh air and Eucharistic adoration, all the poor in the neighborhood, Mass, Rosary. So when she explained about Franciscan charism, it's very familiar to me. So okay, I like Capuchin. And then, of course, Tom Betts, he was interested in me, and we exchanged emails. But actually, Sister Veronica was translated all the emails between Tom Betts and I. He sent me an email, I sent to Sister Veronica, and she translated to me, and then I sent to Tom Betts anyhow. Since then, it has been 9 years living with the Capuchin brothers here. And I like it, and I found great value in it. And as you know, brothers, I about to graduate from nursing school actually. So I had to decide what should I do as a lay brother. So I wanted to go to Papua New Guinea as a nurse. And now it's about to go, the earliest maybe August. I always decided to go to Papua New Guinea before when I decided to be a nurse. But past summer, when I experienced my experience in Papua New Guinea, I found great value living gospel life there. But also at the same time, it's lots of challenges. So to be honest with you, I'm very tempted many times not to go to Papua New Guinea because all the inconvenience and poverty. But in Korean, many Koreans we say, when I was in Korea, we used to say a lot that it is time for you to leave the place or the person when you feel comfortable with the person or the place. It means it does not challenge you anymore. You cannot grow the situation. So I believe it is time to leave my comfort zone again. As I left my country, my people in Korea, it's time to leave, and then I challenge myself according to Franciscan charism. Amen. Amen.